In the previous lecture, we downloaded the Flutter SDK, and when we ran this Flutter Doctor, there were certain issues that were coming up. For instance, we need to take care of this Android license status unknown, and then for the Android Studio, we have to include Flutter plugin and dot plugin. So here I have opened my Android Studio, and I'll go to File. Then we need to go to Settings, and inside the plugins we'll be searching for Flutter, and here you can see we have Flutter now. So we'll click on this install and just accept it over here. The plugin wants you to install requires dot, which have to be installed as well. Proceed, yes, and this will basically install both Flutter as well as dot plugin. And next you can click on Restart Android Studio and click OK over here. So let's go ahead and do this. So as you can see, it's now loading again, Android Studio, and once it's done loading, what we'll do is we'll rerun the Flutter Doctor command. So here I'll go and I'll say Flutter Doctor, and let's see what's the status now. And there we have it. It says Android Studio version 3.2, and the Flutter and dot plugin error messages that were earlier coming up are now resolved. So all we need to do is take care of this Android license status unknown thing. So let's go ahead and try resolving that as well. In order to resolve the Android licenses issue, what I've done is in the command prompt, as you can see, I executed this command SDK manager space -- update, and once it's done, you'll be back at the command prompt. Now the next step will be to execute the Flutter Doctor Android licenses, and let's see how it goes. You can see that it has started it now, and all you need to do is accept all the terms and conditions that will appear on the screen. So let me maximize it, and here I'll be selecting Y for this as yes, again Y, again Y, again Y, again Y over here, and that's pretty much it. Next we'll be running Flutter Doctor -v, that's the verbose mode, where you will get all the detailed analysis of the Flutter Doctor command. So now here you can see Flutter channel beta, everything is in place. For Android toolchain, we have all the prerequisites, that's Android SDK, then we have NDK, platform Android, Android home, Java binary, Java version, and all Android licenses accepted. Then for the Android Studio, we have Android Studio, Flutter plugin, dot plugin, and Java version. So this is it that we need for developing Android applications using Flutter. For VS Code, you can see that it says the 32-bit edition is available, and we have not installed the Flutter extension. Now that we will be covering in the next lecture.